Astragalus root is one of the most powerful immune-building plants on the planet. This adaptogenic herb helps to beat stress while fighting disease at the same time. In addition to pumping up your immune system, studies show that it is vital for cardiovascular health and even to fight off tumours and alleviate symptoms of chemotherapy. Astragalus is a plant with a long history as an immune system booster and a disease fighter. Its roots are in traditional Chinese medicine, where it's been used as an adaptogen for thousands of years, meaning that it helps the body to fight off stress and disease. The astragalus roots are harvested from the 4-year-old plants, and they're the only part of the plant that's used medicinally. Only 2 of over 2,000 species of astragalus, Astragalus membranaceus and Astragalus mongolicus, are used medicinally. Astragalus contains 3 components that allow the plant to have such a positive impact on the human health: the saponins, the flavonoids, and the polysaccharides. These are all active compounds contained in certain plants, including some fruits and vegetables. The saponins are known for their ability to lower cholesterol, to improve the immune system, and to prevent cancer. The flavonoids are also found in astragalus, and these provide health benefits through cell signaling. They show antioxidative qualities, they control and they scavenge free radicals, and they can help to prevent heart disease, cancer, and immunodeficiency viruses. And the polysaccharides are known to have antimicrobial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory capabilities, among other health benefits. In traditional Chinese medicine, the herb was hailed as a protector against stresses, both mental and physical. The astragalus provides health benefits to a number of bodily systems and ailments. Because of the tremendous success of so many research studies and trials, new information about astragalus is coming to light all the time. In general, its greatest strength is preventing and protecting cells against cell death and other harmful elements such as free radicals and oxidation. Inflammation is the root cause of most disease. From arthritis to heart disease, it's often the culprit of the damage. Many studies show that thanks to its saponins and its polysaccharides, the astragalus can reduce the inflammatory response in connection to a number of illnesses and conditions, from helping to heal wounds and lesions to reducing inflammation in diabetic kidney disease. In terms of reputation, boosting the immune system is astragalus's claim to fame. It's been used in this capacity for thousands of years. A study out of Beijing displays its ability to control the T helper cells 1 and 2, essentially regulating the body's immune response. Many recent screenings have shown the success of the astragalus saponins, flavonoids, and polysaccharides in decreasing or eliminating tumours. In instances of chemoresistance treating liver cancer, the astragalus has shown potential in reversing the multi-drug resistance, and as an addition to conventional chemotherapy. This is according to a study published in the Journal of Pharmacy and Pharmacology. The flavonoids present in astragalus are antioxidants, and these prevent plaque buildup in the arteries and narrowing of the vessel walls by protecting the inner wall of the vessel. In addition, a 2014 study published in the Chinese Journal of Integrative Medicine suggests that injections of astragalus, when combined with conventional treatment for viral myocarditis, which is inflammation of the middle layer of the heart wall, it makes the treatment more successful in these heart conditions. Other studies have shown its ability to reduce blood pressure and levels of triglycerides. High levels of triglycerides put individuals at risk of many forms of heart disease, such as a stroke, heart attack, and hardening of the arteries. During a heart attack, heart muscle damage occurs where there's a lack of blood supply and oxygen. At that time, calcium overload creates secondary damage. The astragalus may prevent additional heart muscle damage by regulating calcium homeostasis in the heart. Astragalus has been studied progressively as an anti-diabetic. Studies show its ability to relieve insulin resistance and to treat diabetes naturally. The herb's collection of saponins, flavonoids, and polysaccharides are all effective in treating and regulating type 1 and type 2 diabetes. They're able to increase insulin sensitivity, to protect pancreatic beta cells, which are the cells in the pancreas that produce and release insulin, and also act as anti-inflammatories in areas related to diabetes symptoms. Kidney disease in diabetics is also a common problem, and the astragalus has been used to treat kidney illness for many years. More recent studies in humans and animals have shown that the astragalus can slow the progression of the kidney problems in diabetics and protect the renal system. Oxidation due to free radical damage is the main component in disease and aging, and many elements found in the astragalus fight the free radical damage and prevent the oxidative stress. The herb's polysaccharides have positive effects on the immune system and improve the function of the brain, both of which could help to lengthen lifespan. Because of its anti-inflammatory qualities, the astragalus has a long history of treating wounds. Radix astragali, another name for the dried root of the astragalus, has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for the repair and the regeneration of injured organs and tissue. In a 2012 study by the Institute of Pharmaceutics at Zhejiang University, wounds that were treated with astragaloside 4, the active ingredient in dried astragalus root, showed recovery rates increased 2 to 3-fold over 48 to 96 hours. It was concluded that the astragalus is a promising natural product for anti-scarring and healing in wounds. Astragalus has been shown to help patients who are receiving chemotherapy to recover more quickly and to extend their lifespan. In cases of severe chemotherapy symptoms like nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and bone marrow suppression, the astragalus has been given intravenously and in combination with other Chinese herbal mixtures. Early research suggests its ability to reduce the symptoms and to increase the efficacy of the chemotherapy treatment. Because of astragalus' antiviral capabilities, it's long been used to treat the common cold and the flu. It's commonly combined with other herbs like ginseng, angelica, and licorice. As with many other natural cold remedies, it seems to work better when it's used on healthy individuals regularly as prevention. A regime of astragalus before the cold months of the winter can help to prevent or to decrease the number of colds and upper respiratory illness that the individual will have throughout the season. Astragalus has been used to treat chronic asthma and has been determined to be a successful supplemental therapy and an asthma natural remedy. After being treated, hypersensitivity in the airway decreased substantially, and mucus production and inflammation were reduced in the studies. By preventing or reducing asthma attacks, individuals could be relieved of chronic asthma issues. Evidence also shows astragalus can prevent collagen degradation. It can help to heal lung tissue affected by bronchopulmonary dysplasia. It can inhibit herpes simplex virus 1. It can prevent the replication of viruses like Coxsackie B3, a virus that triggers illness ranging from mild stomach issues to major heart complaints. It can treat inflammation in allergic dermatitis. It can help to treat hepatitis by inhibiting the hepatitis B virus in the liver. It can treat HIV by protecting the T helper cells and help them to fight the virus for much longer. And it can be used as a mild diuretic. It can come in many forms, such as a tincture being a liquid alcohol extract, capsules and tablets, injectable forms used in hospitals or clinical settings in Asian countries, topically for the skin, or dried and used as a tea. Astragalus is generally safe and there's no serious side effects reported. There's a possible interaction with other herbal supplements, so start with smaller doses to prevent the side effects. Women who are pregnant or who are nursing should not use astragalus, and some animal research indicates it may not be safe for the pregnant women. People with autoimmune diseases should speak to their doctor before starting astragalus, because of its ability to stimulate the immune system. Individuals with diseases like multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, and other immune system conditions could be especially sensitive to the astragalus. Astragalus can affect how the body reduces lithium levels because of its diuretic qualities. So taking astragalus with the lithium could lead to unsafe levels of lithium in the body. Drugs that suppress the immune system are commonly used to help to prevent rejection in transplant patients and to accept the new organ or the tissue. Because of Astragalus' immune system boosting capabilities, it can decrease the effectiveness of these drugs. Astragalus is a popular adaptogen used in traditional Chinese medicine for a large number of conditions. It acts as an anti-inflammatory. It boosts the immune system. It slows or prevents the growth of tumours. It protects the cardiovascular system. It regulates and prevents diabetes and illnesses related to diabetes. It contains antioxidative and anti-aging capabilities. It aids in wound healing and it minimizes scarring. It alleviates symptoms of chemotherapy. It treats the cold and flu, and it provides supplemental therapy for chronic asthma. For more information about adaptogens, herbs, supplements, or natural treatment plans, check out my website.